Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. I will show you how wonderful speed maths can be. I keep on getting so many different messages telling me, to make some videos based on some basic concepts like percentages, profit and loss, wherein the calculations can be simplified. And talking about calculations, I always tell you the ultimate guide to speed maths is what you all need to get. And in this video, I'm going to show you the wonder of these books. The topic is entitled All Percentages Require Smartness. Obviously, yes, when you are smart in thinking about the numbers, the calculations become so very easy. And the trick which I am going to tell you is a part of our ultimate guide to speed maths. And how to get a copy, I'll tell you. First, let's understand the beauty of numbers and how do you comprehend and understand these percentages very quickly, effectively, efficiently, smartly and accurately. So let's see some of the questions which I have framed especially for this video. So the first question which I'm going to take up is 23.5% of 580. Whenever we talk about a decimal percentage, the problem really looks little complicated and it's understandable. But if you have knowledge about 1%, 10%, 0.1%, and that's it, these three percentages are going to solve most of your problems, and you should be really good in your basic multiplication, right? And then job done. How? I will show you. Now this 23.5% can be broken down as 2 times 10%, which is 20%, plus here we have 3, so 3 times 1%, that is 3%, so 20 plus 3, 23%, plus 5 times 0.1%, that means 0.5%. So 23.5 is to be visualized like this. See, I always say to my students, when you're watching a video, you don't have to write everything. I write everything because I need to tell you how the trick works. If I don't write, how will you understand? This is not to be written. This is to be understood in terms of mental maths. So 2 times, now you should understand 10% of a number is obtained by putting a decimal 1 digit from the right hand side. So 58.0 is practically 58 only. And then 3 times 1%, 2 digits from the right hand side. So 5.80, which is 5.8, and 5 times 0.1% is 3 digits from the right hand side, 0.58. And that's it. Now you should be really good in your basic multiplication. So 58 into 2 is 116. And now 3 8s are 24, 4 2 carry, so this is 15 plus 2 17, and then you have 5 8s are 40, 0 4 carry, so 5 5s are 25 plus 4 29, 9 2, and then the 2.9. Now just addition of these numbers are going to give us the answer. I can see 9 plus 4 13, 3 1, so 3 plus 7 10 plus 6 16, 6 1 2 and 11 13. 136.3 is the required percentage. Again, I tell friends, I'll tell you friends, all these calculations are mental maths things. All these steps are mental maths things. You should be able to write these three numbers directly. And I'll show you how using one more example. And before that, let me tell you about little bit about the books from where I am adopting all these things. These are authored by me after 15 years of research on speed maths. And if I show you one of the volumes inside, it is going to be like you will understand how much of hard work has gone into this. You can see the QR codes for watching the videos, beautiful illustrations of the concepts. Then we have challenge zones to test yourself, and then we have the complete answer key also. I'll show you. See, all the answer keys are given for ready reference. So how do you get a copy of this? The details are written here. You can send me a message on WhatsApp directly, 9896369963, only if you trust online payments. And otherwise you can click the Amazon links given in the description of this video as well. So let's take one more question, and you will see how beautiful the method is. Let's take 79.1% of 920. Now 79.1 is 7 times 10%, plus 9 times 1% plus 1 times 0.1%, right? So I broke it down. Now 7 times 10% is 92, 1% is 9.2, and 1%, 0.1% is 0.92. So this is 7 2s are 14, 1 7 9s are 63, 64, right? 644 plus 9 2s are 18, 8 1 82, 82.8, and then 0.92. Now when you add all these numbers, you are going to get your answer, that is 727.72, and here is the required percentage. So decimals are not difficult, it's all about understanding and coming up with the goods at the right time. That is very, very important. So friends, I hope this simplifies the job of finding the percentages for you, and you will be able to crack all these percentage problems really, really quickly. So friends, if you like this video, do share it with all the friends who are struggling in such concepts, and don't forget to order your copy of the Speed Maths books today itself, so that you can excel in all the competitive exams in future. Here is the WhatsApp number 9896369963. You can click the Amazon links also and get yourself a copy. Let me know in the comments below, is this trick working for you and you are able to find all the percentages orally or not? All the best.